Welcome back to my channel Kishore Sir Ki Pathshala. We are doing chapter acid bases and salts 10 Cbse science. So last time we have seen how sodium chloride is used in manufacturing of many of the different compounds. Let's see those one by one. So when electricity is passed through a aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Here you see what we are doing. We are passing electricity through aqueous solution of sodium chloride, which is also called as what? Which is also called as brine, right? So that decomposes into what? Into sodium hydroxide and chlorine and hydrogen. Now all the three products what we obtained are of great importance. Now this process is called as what? It is called as chlor-alkali process, right? Why? Because this product formed is nothing but from what? Chlor from chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. So this we need to remember. So chlorine gas is given out at anode. Here you see at anode it is given out, right? And hydrogen gas is given where? At cathode. Okay. And the sodium hydroxide solution is formed near cathode. This sodium hydroxide solution is formed. Okay, so the three products produced in this process are very useful. Okay, so this is how this electrolysis takes place. All right. Okay, so let's see uses of chlorine. So chlorine is used in water treatment plants, right? Okay, for treating the water. Then it is also used in cleaning the swimming pools as such. It is used in the manufacturing of PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. Chlorine is used as a disinfectant. Chlorine is used in the manufacture of chlorofluorocarbon. You know that CFC is used in what? In refrigerations, right? In ACs and refrigerators. Chlorine is also used in the manufacture of pesticides. So now let's see the uses of sodium hydroxide. Now sodium hydroxide is used in degreasing metals. Means what? To remove the grease from the metals. Sodium hydroxide is used in soaps and detergent manufacturing. Sodium hydroxide is also used in paper making and in artificial fibers too. Now let's see the importance of hydrogen gas. Now you'll see hydrogen gas is our future fuel, right? It is used in making of margarine. Margarine is nothing but that is a food similar to butter made up of animal or vegetable fat when you pass down hydrogen through it. Hydrogen is used for manufacture of fertilizer, right? Okay, manufacture of ammonia first of all. Okay, thereby it is used for manufacture of fertilizer. Then let's come to bleaching powder. What is my bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is my CaOCl2, right? You know that chlorine is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride. We have seen that. One product what we got? We get chlorine. Now this chlorine gas is used for manufacturing of bleaching powder. Now how this bleaching powder is produced? Right. This bleaching powder is produced when you see that you take calcium hydroxide and you pass down chlorine gas through it. Right. Then what you'll get? You get bleaching powder. Right. CaOCl2 plus water. Now let's see the uses of bleaching powder as such. Now bleaching powder is used for bleaching what? It is used for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry, right? It is used for bleaching wood pulp in the paper industry and for bleaching washed clothes in the laundry, right? So bleaching powder is an strong oxidizing agent, right? In many chemical industries it is used, and to make drinking water free from germs. Now let's come to baking soda. You know, baking soda, it's a very important ingredient in our kitchen, right? Why? Because you make a lot of crispy pakoras, the dhoklas you make, okay, by using baking soda. Okay, sometimes it is also used for faster cooking, right? The chemical name of baking powder is what? Sodium hydrogen carbonate, right? So sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is my NaHCO3. Okay, it is used in many of the productions as such, right? So it is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw materials, right? So what you do is that here you see sodium chloride you have taken, uh, take water, pass carbon dioxide and ammonia through it. So what you'll get? You'll get ammonium chloride as one of the salts, and another you'll get what? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now you see the importance of this sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is a mild corrosive, non-corrosive basic salt, right? Okay, it is a mild non-corrosive basic salt. The following reaction takes place when it is heated during cooking. Now you heat this sodium hydrogen carbonate. What reaction it will give? It will give me sodium carbonate, right? Water and carbon dioxide gas is released. So what we are getting? We are getting sodium carbonate. Okay, right? So for manufacturing of sodium carbonate, what we require? We require sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now let's see the uses of baking soda, right? For making baking powder, okay, now there is a difference between baking soda and baking powder. What is a baking powder? It is nothing but it is a mixture of what? Baking soda and mild edible acid, okay, such as tartaric acid. Okay, when baking powder is heated or it is mixed with water, you get the following reaction. See, what is the reaction? You have this sodium hydrogen carbonate and you have this proton from the acid, that is a tartaric acid. So what you get? You get carbon dioxide, you get water, and you get sodium salt of that particular acid. So carbon dioxide produced in this reaction, okay, it causes the bread or the cake to rise, and a soft and spongy cake or bread is produced. So my baking powder is used in what? In bakeries industry, right? Okay. So sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient in antacid, right? You know that a lot of acidity happens, okay, sometimes. So what you do? You take an antacid. So being alkaline, it neutralizes the excess of acid in the stomach and it provides instant relief. Now this sodium hydrogen carbonate is also used as soda acid fire extinguisher, right? To extinguish fire, we require fire extinguisher. So a fire extinguisher is produced by this ingredient, that is the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay. Now let's see what we understand by washing soda. Now washing soda is nothing but it is sodium carbonate which is hydrated, right? Okay, sodium carbonate which is hydrated can be obtained from sodium chloride. Sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating what? Baking soda, right? Recrystallizing of the sodium carbonate gives us washing soda. It is also a basic salt. You know that we got sodium carbonate, right, when we heated baking soda. So what you need to do? You need to recrystallize it. When you recrystallize it, what we get? We get Na2CO3 10H2O. This is what we get, right? Now let's see uses of washing soda, right? Okay, so sodium carbonate, that is my washing soda, is used in what? In glass, soap, and in paper industry. It is used in these industries. Okay, so it is used in manufacture of sodium carbonate, sodium compounds such as borax, right? Sodium carbonate can be used as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose. It is also used for removing permanent hardness of water. So the permanent hardness of water can also be removed with the help of what? Washing soda as such. So student, I am sure you have understood today's topic. So kindly like, share and subscribe my channel Kishore Sir Ki Pathshala for more informative videos.